I'm so exhausted. A little bit more today just because, yeah, oh my god, sorry. Ooh. Yesterday, you know, we went to the parks. We were there pretty much like all day. And then today, last night we had to pick up my in-laws super late because their flight got in really late. So we were up like 2 in the morning. So I'm just so tired. But today's Animal Kingdom, I want to say they do close early. My sister-in-law was telling me that they close early, so we're trying to hurry up and get ready and go. But my mother-in-law's here. She's making breakfast. I didn't make breakfast yesterday. We just only got to the parks, but at least we get breakfast today. So shout out to my mother-in-law. But let's get it. All right, I'm all ready to go. Pretty much. I have some little Frankenstein earrings to match my dress, and you can't see my shoes right now, but they have a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna wear my rose gold earrings. I figured like pink and green would be really cute. So y'all know the drill. Y'all know how it goes. Ready? Ready. And then let me do a little so you can see the baby. But this is the little dress that I'm wearing today. It's from H&M. My old stomping grounds. I used to work at H&M for like ever. But now I'm just stay-at-home mom. Disney mom. But yeah, I'm excited. We're going to Animal Kingdom. And it's gonna be fun. My little hair just is not cooperating today. But yeah, oh look, and Serge got me some flowers yesterday from the store. We went to the store to get some little, you know, some food and stuff like that, and came out with flowers. So I'm excited. So, all right, well, see y'all soon. Got some papas con huevo with some frijoles. All right, we're heading out. We're here. It's super hot today. It was not this hot yesterday, so let's see how this goes. I'm burning the heck up today. It is ridiculously hot. Ridiculously hot. Are you excited? We're going to Bugs Life first, just to get it over with.
Everyone, make sure we all have masks. You'll need them later to go inside.
We skip pictures for now, so that way we can hurry up and get on the Bugs Life. It's a little show. It's not even a ride or nothing like that, but it's really cute. They do like little bugs passing by and stuff like that. It's really cute. But it's only 15 minutes for right now, so before the rush gets here, which it doesn't seem like there's a lot of people today. It's a Friday, and there's really not a lot of people right now. Maybe it's just not right now. Oh, I saw a grip in my bro. But yeah, there's a bunch of waterfalls and stuff around here. This whole line is really pretty and really cute. So see y'all soon. Inside the walls, it has different animals from the tree. The tree is right here under it. So throughout the walls, there are different animals on there. And so it's really cool to try to find them and pick them out. It's not a dinosaur. Is it? It's crazy the details here. Get your glasses. You get him glasses. Has to be a bug.
Come all the way down to the end to make room for everyone behind you. Once you're all
Side
the
of
way
the
down to the
tree.
end of the rope, go ahead.
Headed into Dino Land. We have to run back and get Junior a stroller because it is hot and he was tired, so it took us a second. I'm taking a mass break because it's burning up in here. So if it gets too crowded, I'm gonna put it back on. And then you have to put it on inside of like places and stuff like that, which that's not a big deal because it's normally air conditioned, but I'm taking a mini break. I don't know if I can get on this ride or not, but we'll find out right now. Yeah, that's gonna be a no. Expected mom should not ride, so we're not riding. We're gonna wait over here and be bag holders for now. I luckily get to skip Mount Everest, cause nah. Oh, look at that. Made it to Mr. Kamal's. Everybody talks about these fries, so we'll see if they're good. These are it. I'm so excited to try them. Got some little friends walking around while we. The fries are worth the hype. Mr. Kamal's fries. They're so good. Are they good? He likes to season a lot. This guy's waiting for food right here. He keeps licking and then he does that. Sorry, bro, I can't get the food, bro. Oh no, he's closer. He's literally waiting. I can't give him food because it's how seasoning. Sorry, bro.
When they finish.
Hey, happy birthdays!
So we are in the Africa area. We are looking for, they have this corn that I want to try. And so, oh look, it's right here. Haram, is it fruit mart? Is it this one, right? It's gotta be this one. Well, they have an elote that I want. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, now we're about to get that. And then after that, oh look, the safari is only 15 minutes. Sorry, I just a realization for real. But yeah, I'm trying to get this corn on the cob. And there's also this place that has a chamoy apple that I'm about to hit up too. But those fries were, oh my god, those fries were amazing.
Go get in line.
So, oh, I gotta go get in line. But yeah, I'm excited because I want this corn on the cob. Yeah, corn is making a mess on me, but it's so good. And get extra seasoning if they tell you. Get it. We're waiting for the safari ride. It was only 15 minutes to ride, and normally when we come in the summer, it's like an 80-minute wait. So today, we took that 15 minutes over 80 because this thing takes forever. But I'm excited. We're gonna see some cute little animals. Oh, it's skipped us. Oh, we're over there.
support, please slide all the way in. Make room for everyone.
Come on, you're okay. He hates the noises.
Just some things to keep in mind. Please make sure to keep your parents, and they're very protective over their babies. We also have a couple of vultures over here. They're tech. We also have some coming up on the left as well, so we're going to stop up there. Now, giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. They can stand to about 18 to 20 feet tall. And a baby giraffe has a 6-foot drop from its. These giraffe in particular are called Maasai giraffe, and the way that you know that is by looking at their patches. So their patches are a little bit more rugged and all over the place compared to the largest hidden Mickey that we have on our reserve. Because they're actually trying to determine dominance within their group.
I came to the sweet shop to come and get, they said they had chamoy apples, but they didn't have them, so I got Junior the spider cookie for now. But I'm gonna find something else to eat for sure. Starbucks, I want a pumpkin spice. I'm a pumpkin spice bee now. Got my pumpkin spice. This cute little chocolate mousse.
Ice cream?
That's so good. Starting to feel nice. And we're finally going to the Pandora area. It's pretty cool around here because they have so many details and stuff like that, but I can't really get on to it. I really can't get on anything, so. And this park doesn't have the best like food options except for those fries. Those fries and that mousse is really good, but it's just like I can only eat so much sweet. So we're making it work. Tomorrow is a food day. It's also my birthday. But forget that. We're going to Epcot. I haven't been to Epcot since I was little. And I'm so excited because I really just want to eat everything. But let me show y'all the Pandora world. I'm trying to lean on you, all cute, and you ran off. Got my little boba slushy here in Avatar. It's so good. It's like dragon fruit and apple. It's so good. I'm pretty much done here for today. We're gonna head to the front right now. Probably take a couple pictures and then be out here. This park isn't too major. Really not too much to do. Well, tomorrow we feast. Okay, we're leaving. Time to go. We're gonna go home, rest for tomorrow, get some more food, and just chill at the house. So it was fun. My favorite part, my favorite part was probably those French fries, bro. They hit on a different level. So I'm super excited for tomorrow. There's gonna be even more food, even more stuff for me to try. And I gotta make a list when I get home because I need to make sure that I know what I want. So excited for my outfit tomorrow. Whew. I'm out of breath. Okay, we parked far, like pretty far, but this little dress honestly came out really clutch because when it was really hot, it didn't feel too hot. It was actually kind of cool. But I'm excited for tomorrow. It's my birthday and we're gonna do it like it's my day, baby. But yeah, no, I'm excited. So mostly because of my outfit. I got some new little ears. I got some pinker ears because these are like more rose gold. But I got some pinker ears and I have like a little tiara because it's my birthday, duh. So I'm excited. Oh, okay, I gotta catch up. But yeah, it's been fun. Serge got me these super cute ears for my birthday fit tomorrow. I'm excited to wear them. Came by Target again to get more stuff just to have at the house, but we're leaving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow's Epcot and my birthday, so we'll see you soon.